Good morning. This is Mark Jepson, the new mayor of Felixstowe, supporting the High Street Heroes. And this morning we have Paul from Underwoods. Morning, Paul. How are you?
Yes, fine, thank you, sir. Congratulations on your new mayor.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now, I know you've been operating in the lockdown period because my wife has sent me to get essential items to keep the house up and running. So how have you adapted the business?
Well, we opened at a limited period and stopped people coming in the shop, and we had a good queuing system outside that seemed to work. Yeah. But which worked fairly well for a time, but we were the only hardware shop in the area actually working at the time, and it got to a point where we were a bit concerned about the actual length of the queue. Yeah. I thought it went down to Prezzo's, but someone said it went down to the cinema. So we had to adapt it, we thought, and stop people coming to the front of the shop, and only did a telephone ordering system and a collection. So thereby there was no queue. That worked for quite a while. And the good thing about it being a small family business, we can adapt fairly quickly. When the likes of B&Q and Sainsbury's opened, or Home Base rather, the pressure was off a little bit, and we've resumed at the front of the shop now, and the queues are minimal. But and we think we're going to review it again this week, actually. Yeah,
and I think the good thing is people seem to be respecting the 2 metre distance from the odd time.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Click and collect work well. What do you think? Have there been any positive changes, do you think?
Yeah, I think it's brought a lot of the family, the sort of community spirit together, really. And we're also trying to do a delivery service for the people who can't get out or are vulnerable, which works very well. You know, a lot of people are quite grateful to that. It's going.
And in terms of what plans do you think you've got for the future? Obviously, you won't want people queuing out the shop all the time. But
well, very short term, we're looking at opening the shop. The problem with our shop is it's very hard to social distance, because it really is small aisles. So we're going to have quite a strict one-way system. Some of the rooms, the ironmongery section, say it's fairly small. You can't social distance in there, so it'll have to be one person at a time, and we'll have to monitor it. Yeah, but we're going to get up in this. We talk to them about it. Like I said, we are a family concerned. We're quite concerned for our staff, and we want to, make sure that they feel happy. So it's going to be a sort of, bring them in on Thursday, have a chat, and then see where we go from there, really.
Okay, well, I wish you all the best for the future. I shall no doubt be. And it does remind me sometimes of open all hours, the shop.
Thank you very much. Yes, I
mean as a compliment. I really do. So thank you very much, Paul, for what you've been doing for the town. And perhaps hopefully in 6 months' time we can have another chat and see how you're getting on.
That would be nice. Yeah. Okay, then.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.